Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have nail polish swatches of the OPI Hello Kitty Holiday Nail Polish Collection. That was a mouthful for starting my video, but today I will be showing you some swatches of the newest OPI nail polish collection. This is in collaboration with Hello Kitty. I know they already came out with one collection, but this is their 2019 holiday collection, and I will be showing you 15 swatches. Unfortunately, again, I just did not have time to do them on my nails, but I will show you 2 coats on my nail wheels, and if you do have any questions on any of these, just please leave them for me in the comment section, and I will try to start posting swatches of these polishes on my Instagram account as well, so definitely stay tuned. If you are enjoying this type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, please hit the subscribe button before you leave my channel. I would appreciate that a lot. I purchased the entire collection from polishpig.com. I will leave everything for you in the description box. So far, this is the place where I find OPI nail polishes for the best price, and they are also carrying the limited edition or the special edition polishes from OPI's collection that are typically only available at Ulta or Sally's, depending on who they are collaborating with. So I do have all of the 15 nail polishes for you to show today, and for the most part I really do like them. I am not necessarily into glitter polishes, so the glitter toppers are not something that I would be missing if I didn't purchase them, but I am ahead of myself, so let's show you first the swatches and then I will come back and share you my thoughts on these polishes. guys, let me know which polishes were your favorites from the collection. As I said, I am not necessarily big on the glitter toppers. I used to love them, but my taste had changed a little bit. I mean, I did enjoy them, but it's not something that I will be reaching for very often. And these are definitely toppers, so you can't really get them opaque on their own, or I doubt that you would be able to unless you do 4 or 5 coats, which beats the purpose of these polishes. OPI comes out with a red polish every single year, or collection I would say, but I really did enjoy All About the Bows. So that's this red right here. It's a really pretty red, and I just like it. It has a pinkish undertone. I'm not really into pink polishes, but I think they did a good job with that one. And my two favorites from the collection are definitely my favorite Gal Pal, and I also like Let Love Sparkle. So that's this beautiful light blue. So these are my picks. Is this a unique collection? I don't really think so, but I think OPI did a good job with capturing what Hello Kitty represents as a brand. And again, it's a holiday collection, so I do understand the sparkles or the higher number of polishes that are sparkles toppers in this collection. Let me know your thoughts, and if you got any of these polishes already, or if you're maybe thinking about it, share your thoughts with us so that we also know which ones are your favorites from this collection, and if you would be interested in getting these. As I said, you can get them for the most part at polishpick.com. These polishes are limited edition, so once they are gone, they won't be restocked, and you still have some time to get them before the holidays, so definitely check out polishpick.com. I like to purchase from them. Their shipping is very affordable, and they are on spot with the delivery of these collections as well. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.